Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Arkansas. Today we're going to do another family recipe. And it's a real easy recipe, and it's called no-peek chicken. No-peek chicken means that you don't peek at it for it cooks 2 hours. We're going to mix some cream of mushroom soup, 1 can. Now we're going to use a cream of celery soup. Now we're going to have a can of water, so I'm just going to use this one. Okay, we're using 1 can of water. Next we're putting in Uncle Ben's rice. Uncle Ben's wild rice. And we're going to mix all this together. I'm just going to take a brush and brush this on. We have our casserole dish buttered now. Pour the rice mixture over in this dish. This is a real easy recipe. It's just one of the easiest recipes you could ever use. Now we have about 2 pounds of boneless chicken breast. Look like that's going to be a little crowded, but I think it's okay. Now the last thing we do, I'm using a Lipton's dry soup mix, which all of you cook, you know how many times you use this too. I've got to cover this with foil. Now see how easy that was? That's one of the easiest recipes that you'll ever cook, I believe. We're going to put this in a 325-degree oven, and we're going to cook it for 2 hours. Now our no-peep chicken is finished. No peep because you don't peep at it for 2 hours. It cooks in the oven. Looks very good. I'm going to do a little taste testing on this. It looks real good. I already know it's good though. That is very, very good. You sure have to make this. This is a type of recipe that your whole family will like. I hope you try this recipe, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thank you for watching.